What if everything you've been told about sleep is wrong? What if waking up tired, even after 8 hours, isn't your fault? And what if your body already knows the perfect time for you to sleep, wake up, eat, and even work, but you've been ignoring it your entire life? Today, we're diving deep into the science of sleep with insights inspired by sleep expert Dr. Michael Breus, also known as the Sleep Doctor. You'll discover the 4 chronotypes that control your energy, why the 8-hour sleep rule is a myth, how to fix insomnia naturally, the truth about sleep apnea, and how to finally wake up feeling refreshed. Because being tired all the time isn't normal. It's a signal. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what your body has been trying to tell you. Part 1. Why you're always tired. Let's start with the real problem. Most people think fatigue is caused by not sleeping enough, stress, or just getting older. But according to sleep science, the real reason is much deeper. It's a mismatch. A mismatch between your biological clock and your daily schedule. Your body runs on something called a circadian rhythm, an internal 24-hour clock that controls sleep, hormones, body temperature, energy levels. But here's the issue. Society runs on a fixed schedule. Your body does not. So when you force yourself to wake up at 6 a.m., but your body naturally wants to wake up at 8:30, you're not lazy. You're misaligned. And this is where chronotypes come in. Part 2. The 4 chronotypes. Dr. Michael Breus categorizes people into 4 chronotypes based on their natural sleep patterns. Let's break them down. Bear, 50 to 55% of people. If you're a bear, you follow the sun's schedule. Wake up around sunrise, energy peak midday, sleep time around 10 to 11 p.m. Bears are social, consistent, and productive during standard work hours. But here's the problem. You experience a huge energy crash in the afternoon. That 2 to 3 p.m. slump? Classic bear behavior. Fix: avoid heavy lunches, take short breaks instead of caffeine, and do deep work before noon. Lion, 15 to 20%. Lions are early risers. Wake up 5 to 6 a.m., peak productivity morning, sleep time early evening. These are your CEOs, high achievers, morning workout people, but lions struggle with evening fatigue and social burnout. Fix: schedule important tasks early, avoid overcommitting at night, and protect your evenings. Wolf, 15 to 20%. Wolves are your night owls. Wake up late, peak energy, evening, sleep time, midnight or later. Wolves are creative, deep thinkers, and highly productive at night. But society punishes wolves. Early jobs, school schedules, it all works against them. Fix: shift your schedule gradually, not drastically. Avoid early meetings when possible, and use late evenings for creative work. Dolphin, 10%. Dolphins are the most complicated. They're light sleepers, prone to anxiety, and often dealing with insomnia. They wake up frequently, overthink at night, and rarely feel fully rested. Fix: strict sleep routine, no screens before bed, meditation or calming techniques. Part 3. The 8-hour sleep myth. You've heard it your whole life. Get 8 hours of sleep. But here's the truth. There is no universal number. Some people thrive on 6.5 hours. Others need 9. What matters is not the number. It's sleep cycles. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes. So optimal sleep looks like 5 cycles equals 7.5 hours. 6 cycles equals 9 hours. Waking up in the middle of a cycle, that's what makes you feel groggy, not the total hours. Real takeaway? Instead of forcing 8 hours, aim for complete sleep cycles. Part 4. How to fix insomnia. If you struggle to fall asleep, you're not alone. But here's what most people get wrong. They try harder to sleep. And that's exactly the problem. Sleep is not something you force, it's something you allow. Strategy 1, the 15-minute rule. If you can't sleep after 15-20 minutes, get out of bed. Why? Because your brain starts associating your bed with stress, frustration, wakefulness. Instead, go to another room, do something boring, and return when sleepy. Strategy 2, control light exposure. Light controls melatonin, your sleep hormone. Morning light equals wake up signal. Night light equals stay awake signal. Fix: get sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Strategy 3, temperature drop. Your body needs to cool down to sleep. Ideal: room temperature 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot room equals bad sleep. Strategy 4, consistency beats everything. Same sleep time, same wake time, even on weekends. This is the most powerful fix. Part 5, the truth about sleep apnea. Let's talk about something serious, sleep apnea. It's not just snoring, it's when your breathing stops repeatedly during sleep. Symptoms: loud snoring, waking up gasping, daytime exhaustion, brain fog. And here's the scary part. Many people don't even know they have it. Untreated sleep apnea can lead to heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke. So if you suspect it, get a sleep study. Talk to a doctor. This is not something to ignore. Part 6, how to master your sleep. Let's bring it all together. To master your sleep: 1, know your chronotype. 2, sleep in cycles, not fixed hours. 3, build a wind-down routine. Signal your brain it's time to rest. 4, control your environment, light, temperature, noise. 5, be consistent. This is the foundation of everything. If you're always tired, it's not because you're lazy. It's because your system is out of sync. Once you understand your chronotype, align your schedule, and respect how your body actually works, everything changes. Better sleep, better focus, better energy. So tonight, don't just try to sleep more, try to sleep smarter, and your body will thank you for it. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more deep dives into how experts think and how you can apply it to your life. Because mastering your mind starts with mastering your sleep.